To begin, launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. From your news feed, tap the plus icon on Create Story. You can create your story by adding text, music, images, capturing a new photo or video, or uploading one from your gallery. Next, tap on Stickers from the list of options on the right. You will then see the new Thoughts sticker. If you don't see it, make sure to update your Facebook app. Now tap on it to proceed. Type in your thoughts for your friends to reveal. Below, you can choose the font style you prefer. From the first option at the top, you can add a female voice to the thoughts by tapping on it. By tapping the coloring circle, you can change the font color of your thoughts. From the next option, you can change the text background. And the last option allows you to change the text position. When you are finished with the changes, tap Done. First, drag the Thoughts sticker to any location on the screen, and resize it using your 2 fingers. Apply the same technique to resize and position your written thoughts as well. Finally, tap the Share button to add your story. Your story has been updated. If any of your friends view your story, they will see the Thoughts sticker. They can reveal your original thoughts by tapping on the sticker. So that's how you can share hidden thoughts with the new Thoughts sticker on your Instagram story.